What's up? Great cornholio. How we doing, everyone? Thank you for joining the live. I'm gonna go watch some CNBC. Maybe I should buy some crypto right now. Is the dip over for crypto? All right, I'm checking on Robinhood. What's up, guys? Good morning. Looks like we're up today. Oh, dude, it crashed. Dude, I was killing it on Robinhood. All right, I gotta show you guys. This is actually entertaining. How do I do this? Whatever, dude. I guess I won't show you guys. Yo, you found me. Let me follow you. What's up, man? I'm looking at Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. Let me see if I'm buying some. Oh, it went back down. Dang, Bitcoin went to 58 and then it went down. All right, I'm buying $50 of Bitcoin right now. $50 of Bitcoin. I'm gonna buy $50 of Ethereum. So go to Ethereum. Yeah, I'm buying crypto right now as we speak, guys. So buy $50. Probably buy some more Cardano too. What's the stable coin Cardano at? I already bought, waiting for the rocket. Nice. All right, where's my Weeble? Okay, so I'm buying some Cardano right now. 55 cents. Let me see what my average price is. It won't tell me my average price, but whatever. I'm just gonna buy 100. All right, I bought some Cardano. There we go. Put another order in for some Cardano. All right, I put in the order. Okay, let me tell you how much I'm down on my Cardano so you guys can laugh at me. Let's see. I'm taking a bunch of SOL. Where do you stake your SOL? That's actually pretty awesome. Good for you, Sheezy. Good morning. Where are you staking that SOL? Exodus. Okay, cool, man. Thank you very much for that. I have to check it out. What's the rate they're paying you? Okay, I want you guys to laugh at me. So I am down $400 on my Cardano. My average price right now is 173. That's pretty good. 6.5%. Exodus. I'm gonna have to check that out. Thank you for that, man. That's dope. That is really, really dope. So if you guys don't mind, smash the like button. Let's get more people in this live. Thank you for being up this early. I am barely awake right now. But yeah, let's keep hitting the like button. We'll get more people in my live. I'll probably invite Crypto Richie. Let's see if Crypto Richie wants to jump on the live. All right, I just sent him an invite. Good morning. And gave you a follow, Olive. Are you a crypto enthusiast? What's your deal? Good morning. All right, I'm going to go put on the stock market news. I was unable to get Crypto Richie to accept my request, so I think he wants more people in my live before I'm worthy. So yeah, we're going to move locations to CNBC. Welcome, everyone. Yeah, I'm excited. I think the market's going to be up big today. I think today we're all going to be printing some tendies. So I'm excited about that. Let's fire up the TV. Fire up the TV. There we go. Thank you for the likes, guys. We're on our way to 1,000 likes. And here we go. YouTube TV. Let me turn on the light. There we go. We almost got 20 people in this live. This is dope. There we go. Let there be light. All right. This is my favorite show, guys. I'm going to show you what the ballers watch. Thank you for the likes.
And I want to start by asking
you. I gotta get rid of my background.
Your COVID antiviral drug that's in development.
So,
this morning, you guys now anticipate you can make 80 million courses.
Here we go, guys.
Projected 50 million you'd expect.
No, I got 3 million views on YouTube. 3 million. Yeah, man. Pretty dope. 3 million views. What's on with my... There we go. But here, I gave you a follow. If you want to jump on the live, I can tell you more about how I got the million views. It's a couple of views. If you want to jump on my live stream, I can tell you more if you really want to know how to get views on YouTube. Just hit the guest request button. There we go, guys. Look at this suit. He's so happy. He's going to make so much money. Pfizer. He's like, haha, you sheep. Look at that. Big Pharma. Look at Moderna. Okay, well, I followed you, so just jump on another time, and I can tell you more about how to get views on YouTube. But I basically just take my TikTok. You take your shorts on TikTok, and you repost them on YouTube. It's pretty much it. It's not, like, too complex. If you guys don't mind, please smash the like button. We're on our way to 2,000 likes. Is the volume okay? Can you hear that? Yeah, that's why the markets, look at this. The markets are going to go up a lot today because you're totally right. It was all just, media FUD. Exactly. Fear-mongering. And if you were smart, you were buying. When people are selling is when you're buying. And I was buying that dip. So that's the way to do it. No, I don't do any of that stuff. I usually just go long. I stay away from options. So what I do instead is I use margin. So when there are crashes, I usually buy the dip. No. I own more stocks than crypto. Oh, dang. Yeah, look at that CEO. He doesn't care. That's pretty crazy. Pfizer paid the biggest lawsuit. Well, Pfizer's a good stock. I bought it under 40. So, what is that? I've made almost 50% on my Pfizer.
So, you say on Friday you started building that new template for an Omicron-specific vaccine if needed. Tell us about the tests that your scientists...
Let me know if you guys can hear. Hard, long, big, strong, I want. Okay, Shining. Let me know if the volume's okay. Oh my god, I sold Moderna. Oh my god. Yeah, Moderna's been on a tear. Should have gotten in on Facebook. That would have paid. Actually is my number one stock. My number one stock holding is Facebook right now. I'm trying to get more Amazon and Google because I don't want Facebook to be my number one stock. So I'm trying to get more Amazon and Google. Oh yeah, the Meta ETF. Yeah, that's not a bad selection. How's the performance though? Has the ETF been performing pretty well?
were very good, and we didn't have to reduce the dose for the third one. So it's full dose that we are giving for the boosters already. So that should provide very high protection levels. That, as I said, I don't know if it will be equally effective.
Man, look at Bitcoin rally.
Against the Omicron.
Yeah, that's a good long-term play.
I would be very surprised if we are very, very, very
Dow's up, Bitcoin's up. Markets are looking good.
And keep in mind,
What is your expectation?
Bitcoin is a game changer right now because it's not the same situation. It's not the same situation when you have a treatment that instead of 10 people going to hospital, only one will go to hospital. Instead of people dying, basically no one dies. So it's very, very, very different story now.
Because of the antiviral treatment, are you getting more incoming inquiries than you already were from governments around the world about the antiviral drug because of the fears around Omicron?
I think that it's not because of the fears against Omicron. Basically, there is no government that didn't call after the results.
No, I stay away from options trading. I just use margin instead. I don't like options trading because I feel like there's more tax advantages to doing just going long shares on margin. So I don't really do the options play, but if you're not going to use margin, then options is another way to get leverage. I prefer owning the stock though, instead of holding options contracts.
Those are the people who we've been so worried about and so protective of and trying to make sure that they don't get it. I read something in Stat today, though, that Paxlovid can actually react to cancer treatments. So if you were a cancer patient and you were going through some sort of a treatment, Paxlovid, because it's a protease inhibitor, can actually interact with some of those. Is that the case? And can you tell us more about that?
Frankly, in my case, first time I hear about it. I'm going to look at it. But
I just read it this morning at Stat, and they're a pretty reliable publication. But if you haven't heard of it, that makes me feel a little...
Is the volume okay? Let me know if you guys can hear the TV. If not, I'll turn it up. California. The beautiful high-tax state of California. It's 5 a.m. in California. I'm just waiting for the market to open. Look at that. That's why I woke up early. Christmas is coming, guys.
At this point, you have other targets that you're working on that you just haven't told us about at this point that might be used in a combination with what looks to be very promising already?
Yeah, that's a very, very good question. And as I said, we designed the current one with that in mind so that we'll be able not to develop resistance when the virus mutates. Because as you know, all so far, the mutations that we have seen in various concerns are in the spike. And this antiviral has nothing to do with the spike. It works in a very different mechanism. And in fact, the mechanism that it works, which is inhibits the protein.
Let me know if the volume's okay. If you guys can't hear it, let me know.
It is very vital for the virus to survive. So it's very difficult for the virus to create a mutation that doesn't need this protein. And so that the drug will not work. So I'm very, very, very confident that this drug works for all known mutations, including the Omicron one. But we are working on follow-up.
What are you talking about? Safe?
For the eventual case that maybe a resistance is developed.
What is that? A stock? A crypto? Can you give me more details?
Nothing that it will be announced, let's say, next week. But we are already working with, and this is, you need to know, a standard practice when the virus. So already we are working on second and third generation.
Albert, wanted to also
separately, just ask you about cost and cost of the antiviral. We've talked about it before, but if in fact the antiviral pills become the a critical component of this, especially if the vaccines don't have the same kind of efficacy, could you see pricing come down? Would you consider rethinking the pricing? Because as we know, a vaccine might be $20-$30. This antiviral pills could be 10 times, 10 more than 10 times that. I think we're talking about $600 or $700.
Dang, that's really profitable.
Yes, you're right. But we went out with the pricing for the governments that takes that into consideration. You need to know the price of this antiviral, despite the very, very high efficacy. It is almost one-third of what the prices of the antibodies out there are.
Oh, good question, man.
It's really
Yeah, I like DocuSign. Here, I'm gonna give you a follow. So I like DocuSign. I think right now PayPal is really cheap. PayPal, Visa, and Square. I'm looking at all of those stocks, and then I also like Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Google, Tesla. But if I'm buying stocks right now, I really like PayPal, I really like Visa, and I really like Square. Especially Square under $200. He's the CEO of Pfizer. Ooh, that's a good one. LAC. All right, man. I'm glad I added you. Those are good stock picks so far.
You see this happening every year. We either get a regular booster of the same vaccine, or a slightly different vaccine every year to deal with what we're seeing with these mutations. Is that what you foresee? It's almost like for Pfizer, you'd be selling these things every year. Not that you want to do that. I'm sure you're not hoping for that, but it'd be almost like an annuity for Pfizer.
He's like so happy. They're gonna make so much money on those pills.
The most likely scenario is that we will need, after the third dose, annual revaccinations against COVID for multiple reasons, because of the immunity that will be waning, because of the virus that I'm sure will be maintained around the world for the years to come.
Why'd you sell out of Square? Yeah, I agree with you.
The projection. I think we are going to have an annual revaccination. I don't know how we're going to call it, but it will be an annual revaccination, and that should be able to keep us really.
If you guys don't mind, hit the like button. It will get more people in the live. We have almost 2,000 likes, so hit the like button. Thank you, Ray, for the likes. Ray, thank you very much. Just took profits. Don't you regret taking profits? Thank you for the follow, Ray. Thank you, David, for the likes.
We have to start with a treatment. If things go wrong, right, and we can't provide protection, which I don't.
I haven't heard of that stock.
We have a treatment.
DCRC.
War against this virus that can be taken home.
Thank you for the likes, KJ. Appreciate it. Thank you very much. 1.5 thousand likes. Solid power. 2,000 shares. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is those 2,000 shares worth right now? Like 400 grand? Yeah. Yep, solid state lithium. Thank you for the likes, KJ. No liquid, no board, so no fires. That's actually dope. What about, there's another one. There's another solid state battery company. I can't even remember the name. Oh, I forgot the name of the stock. Why do you sell your stocks, dude? I don't sell my stocks. I borrow against it. Especially if it's a good stock. Yeah, there you go. QuantumScape. That was the company I was thinking of. Yeah, I sold out of my QuantumScape. I bought it high and I sold it low, but I'll buy back in, when the trend looks better. for QuantumScape.
$4 billion.
Yeah, I lost some money on
If there is a need for a
QuantumScape.
new one, we will make almost $4 billion of the new one. So with that in mind, that availability will not be an issue, that the efficacy is very high, that there are treatments around. No, I'm optimistic. We have been preparing for that, and we are going to win this battle as well.
All right, some optimism is what we need, Albert. Thank you so much for being with us this morning, and we hope to have you back soon as we get more information about the vaccine.
Yeah, borrowing against stock is dangerous, but if you're under 20%, it's actually more dangerous to sell. That's true. Oh, yes. I love this dude, Muhammad Al-Arian. That's dope. Thank you for the follow, Midnight Fox Body. Thank you for the follow. Look at that. Can't wait. Look at NASDAQ. Let's go. Nice big spike. I hope everyone bought the dip yesterday or on Friday. Black Friday sale. He's okay. Jim Cramer's all right. It's not great. It's not bad. Oh, I love AMD. AMD and NVIDIA. The chip companies are killing it. All right, I'm going to go back, see if there was anything else they had. Let's go back. Who's my guru? I think you should have like 5-10 gurus, because if you listen to one person, it's kind of like an echo chamber. So yeah, I think there's more value into watching multiple people.
The Omicron variant spreading now confirmed in at least a dozen countries, including Canada. And breaking overnight.
Oh my God, Canada got the variant.
Israel and Japan announcing a ban on entry for all foreigners.
Ooh.
And stocks in Asia falling after the Black Friday sell-off in the U.S., but futures pointing to a rebound this morning, up about 240, 250. Nice move in the NASDAQ. It's Monday, November 29th, 2021. Squawk Box begins right now.
No, I think the more people you listen to, the more you figure out who actually knows what they're talking about and who is just full of crap. So I think you need to listen to 10 gurus, and then usually half the gurus are bad and the other half are good. But I think it's always better to have 5 good gurus than just one.
It's a Monday. We're going to see what's happening this morning. Last week was a bit of a rough one. You saw what happened on Black Friday with the Dow down by 2.5%. It was a loss of more than 900 points. But as Joe mentioned, there is a bit of a rebound this morning. Right now, the Dow futures are indicated up by about 250 points. The S&P, which was down by about 2.25% on Friday, is indicated up by
No, but you get smarter. The more gurus you listen to, the smarter you get, and you're better at sniffing out people that are full of it. You know what I mean? I think the only thing that you can not do is like not continue to like listen to new voices, right? Because investing is always changing. So people like, yeah, success is a bad teacher. And like, you know, Warren Buffett's best stock was Apple, and he didn't even like invest in technology for a long, long time. Yeah, you learn from your mistakes. Exactly. I think that's what we're all trying to do, learn. Look at Bitcoin, up 4%. To the moon. Yeah, Bitcoin. Let's go Bitcoin. No, you're learning, man. But yeah, I know that you don't like margin, but sometimes it's better to hold your winners and not pay taxes when you sell, and just borrow against it if you want to buy in the future. Just don't go over 20% if you're worried about a margin call. As long as you stay under 20% of your portfolio value, you'll be safe, especially if you're holding high quality stocks. But I mean, I guess you could do options too. I just prefer margin over options.
The cryptocurrencies kind of rebounding too, because on Friday, Joe, the other cryptos were under more pressure than Bitcoin. They were all down double digits, 10, 11, 12%. They're all rebounding across that spectrum too.
Okay, let's get right to the latest news on Omicron and the ripple effects really taking place across the world. Tom Chu will update us on the markets and what's moving. Phil LeBeau has the latest on travel restrictions. Brian Sullivan is covering the move in oil, but we want to start with the latest on the variant from Meg Terrell. Good morning to you, Meg.
Good morning, Andrew. Not a whole lot more clarity that we got over the weekend about the characteristics of this virus anyway. The World Health Organization in a risk assessment saying that the risk to the world is considered very high, but also saying it's going to be a few weeks until we know the key answers to some of
All right, guys, I'm going to go make another coffee and I will come back on this live. But yeah, I'll be streaming the news and I'll be buying stocks when the market opens. So let me know. I keep the SOS stocks. Yeah, well, you'll learn over time, man. Don't give up. But I think big tech is something you can hold long term, and then if you're really worried about it, just hold ETFs. The ETFs will they'll do the the heavy lifting for you. But okay, cool, guys. I will be back on in about 20 minutes, maybe less. 10 minutes.